All right, today I'm taking a look at the Lokithor 2-in-1 jump starter and air inflator. Okay. Nice. So I like that. It's a nice tiny little package, so I can throw this thing in my trunk and I'm not going to worry about it like taking up a whole bunch of room. So that's really nice. I like that a lot. 1500 amps in such a small package. I just love that they can do that these days. That's pretty darn amazing. It looks like we have the plug here, and on the other side is a light. Now we got plugs all over the place. Check this out. So we got USB-C, USB-A, and what is that? Oh, that is for the battery cable. So I think that's going to snap in right there. Wow, I mean, that's amazing. I mean, I have seen stuff this big that can jumpstart a car, but having something like that that can also air up your tires, it's great. Okay, we got the light button right here. It's powering on now. There we go. Oof. Yeah, that thing's bright. Okay, cool. We got a strobe. Make sure people can see you. It's a lot. And then we got SOS. So that can really come in handy. So we got bar or PSI. I really like that. I almost always use PSI though, so it's great having the option depending on what you like. So let's see what else we got in here. It's like a carrying pouch. The branding on the bottom so you know exactly what it is. So you can throw that in your trunk. You don't have to worry about getting it too messed up. A couple instruction manuals. The Force of Thunder in hand. All right. Oh, look at that. It's color too. That's nice. Cool. And I'm guessing this is the charging cables. Oh, all kinds of stuff. All right. So here is the charging cable. We got USB-A to USB-C. So I do like that. It's actually USB-C. We have the pump hose and nozzle. So that can screw in right here. And it actually does thread in right here. So I don't have to grab the whole hose and spin it around and around. I do like that. That's good. And then we got a couple extra nozzles. So if you want to fill up your basketball or your beach toys and that kind of thing, you can do that with this. And then these are the clamps for getting your car started again. It is labeled on here. We can see positive and negative. And then this will just plug right in here. Okay. Yeah, cool. So it looks like it's pretty easy to use too. So essentially what I did here is all you really have to do, you plug this onto your battery, right? And then you hit the power button and then you start your car. So yeah, real simple and easy to use. I like that a lot. So let's try the pump and see if we can get that to work. I'm going to turn it on. And I'm going to set this to 50 PSI. That's where I like having it at. Okay. Now it's going to flash 3 times. It says I'm at 26 PSI. All right, cool. Yeah, so I was being a little cautious, but I put my finger over the button, but it actually shut off on its own. So, yeah, works great. So yeah, that's an awesome tool. That's really something you want to have in your garage.